IGA 2026. The future of governed AI presents a transformative vision for the next era of artificial intelligence where AI is not only intelligent, but also governed, explainable, accountable, and audit-ready. The book introduces the Inform Rightward Arrow Govern Rightward Arrow Assure architecture, designed to convert raw AI intelligence into trusted enterprise and government decision systems. Authored by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, the book explores how the 3D, 10D AI DNN Engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, and governance-driven intelligence can reshape global decision-making across industries such as finance, healthcare, manufacturing, education, ESG, and public governance. It positions governed AI as the future foundation for responsible enterprise intelligence in the post-LLM era.er. Available now on Amazon India.